In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the data category type in Power BI. This is a quick but powerful tweak that helps Power BI understand what kind of information a column contains, so your visuals behave the way you expect. For example, setting a field as a city or country lets maps place points accurately, and marking a column as a web URL or image URL turns plain text into clickable links or images in your reports. Start by loading up your data in Power BI Desktop. You can open an existing report or import a new data set. The important part is that your table is accessible. Once your data is ready, move to the table view using the icons on the left-hand side. This view shows your data in a familiar grid, making it easy to focus on a single column and see exactly what's inside it. Next, click the header of the column whose data category you want to set. Make sure you click the header itself so the entire column is selected, not just one cell. As soon as you do that, you'll notice a contextual tab appear at the top called Column Tools. If you don't see it, double-check that the column is selected. The tab only appears when a column is active. Click the Column Tools tab, then look for the Properties section on the ribbon. There, you'll find a drop-down labeled Data Category. Open that drop-down and pick the category that best describes your column. Choose city, country/region, state/province, postal code, or address for geographic fields, latitude and longitude for coordinates, or web URL and image URL if the column contains links. If none of the predefined options fit, leaving it as uncategorized is fine, but selecting a meaningful category usually improves visual accuracy and interactivity. A couple of quick tips as you choose. For geographic data, more specific categories often reduce ambiguity. City is better than address if the field only contains city names. For URLs, make sure the values are complete links, including the protocol such as HTTP or HTTPS, so they become clickable in tables and matrices. For latitude and longitude, assign each to its matching category rather than leaving them as generic numbers. Maps rely on that distinction. And there you go. You've loaded your data, switched to the table view, selected the column, opened Column Tools, and set the appropriate data category. Power BI will now treat that field correctly in visuals, helping your reports become more accurate, interactive, and easy to use. That's all.